Check out the PC shoes, huh? The backyard's an absolute mess. I'm liking gray though. Woo! As you can see, the colors just go absolutely perfect with the walls. That's what I'm talking about. Make it snow, baby. Make it snow. My camera over there.
You're gonna have to get the box here on your feet.
No, I don't think so.
Oh.
What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video here. Today we have a sponsor, and that's API. We'll get more on that in just a little bit, but I want to catch you up to speed. Last video, we ended off working on this fish room, and this fish room is one of the next biggest projects on my channel. We, yesterday, or in last video, I should say, did installation drywall. Roll the clip. Craziest fish room on YouTube, and I mark my words, we got a U-Haul. Woo! Insulation going in.
Okay guys, it's time to do the drywall.
Look at this. Woo! And now we're going to paint the inside, which is really going to bring everything together. As you can see, AC's going in as well. That's actually already running. Some hot air coming out of that thing. But inside, it looks so good. The backyard's an absolute mess. We got to go to Home Depot, get some paint, and after we get the paint, we're coming home and getting straight to work. I'm just gonna stop talking. Let's get to work. The fish room is being finished today. Well, other than the floors, because we'll talk more on that in a little bit. Here we go. Gotta pick a color for the fish room. I don't even know what to get. I kind of want to get like a blue. That'd be cool. Or like air blue. It's a little bit of white, but it's got the blue in it. I don't know. I'm liking gray though. I'm really liking this gray. A little dull though, maybe a little bit lighter, huh? That's perfect. It looks more white on camera, but I promise you it's a little bit of gray. That's it. This just gave me an idea. The alphabet with spray paint. I could spray like Cuffaro brand or something cool, fish room or something on the wall. So I'm gonna get some of this. I don't know which one's the coolest though. There's that one, this one, and this one. I like this one, I guess. Oh, that one, 100%, right? Yeah.
Invalid scan.
I don't, but all right. Hold up, now before I show you inside the fish room all painted up, quick word from today's sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by our favorite, API. A trusted aquatic brand that has been in the industry for over 60 years, perfecting products for your aquariums and ponds. Offering a range of test kits, water conditioners, fish medications, and nutritional products to help consumers create the most natural habitat for their underwater world. But if you shh, API actually gave me a sneak peek on their latest product, Aqua Essential. It is a new all-in-one, highly concentrated water conditioner that instantly makes tap water safe for fish, removing chlorine, chloramine, and detoxifies all the heavy metals in tap water to make it safe for fish. Use Aqua Essential when your water quality has degraded, and it would detox ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate to provide a more suitable environment for your fish and aquatic animals. Aqua Essential works through a chemical interaction with toxic components, removing their associated harmful properties, but still allowing the biological filter to break down ammonia and nitrite. Aqua Essential also works with any other API water conditioner. This product is good in both freshwater and saltwater aquariums. This is the saltwater tank we all know and love very much. We're gonna do a little detox here. Now, just like all other API products, on the back of every product, you'll know what to do, how to use it. They explain everything. So we're gonna go on the back here. Shake bottle for use. At 5 milliliters per 50 gallons. This is 150 gallons. That means one capful is 100 gallons. Here we go. Like that. And now we need 5 milliliters. Let's put this one in the jet. Ready? Now Aqua Essential is now available at all PetSmart stores, and very soon will be available at your favorite aquatic store or online retailer. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know I love API. This is just a little bit of my stuff. It just works. You know, when you find something that works, you enjoy it. Kept my water clean, my fish healthy. And when buying a product like this, you just can't ask for much more. This stuff works. Now visit apifishcare.com, top link in the description. Get yourself some Aqua Essentials, and all other API products are available there. Thanks so much API for sponsoring today's video. And without further ado, let's get on with today's video. The roof is completely done, and it looks amazing. So now just picture these white lights kind of laying up flat against the roof. It's gonna look so much better, it's insane. Hector has now poured our color for the walls. It's like a light gray. You can kind of see it on camera. That's the white gray, see? That's gonna be real nice. Oh, you can see it really good in the bucket. Check it out in the bucket, you see how gray it is? That's it. Oh, and check out the PC shoes, huh? We have some nice custom Air Forces. Danny actually made these. Here's the Instagram. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for the shoes. Oh yeah, you can see the difference once it's next to the white roof. So we kept the roof white, and we're doing the walls all around that light gray. So we walk up in, and this is what we're looking like. Amazing comparison to what it looked like before. Literally insane. It's gonna look even better once the walls are painted this gray here. We left the lights out in the rain, so hopefully they all still work. I think we're good. Hector, your head touched the ceiling. Get a nice little, oh, your ear touched the ceiling. Oh, your eyeballs touched the ceiling. Woo! Look at this. Look at this. Is that not insane? It's pretty big. I did say in the last video, it looks a lot smaller on camera. It's actually pretty big. It's 200 square feet, so it's not like massive, but it's not small. We painted the door, just gotta, you know, drill that back up there. I wanna hang some super cool stuff from our sponsors and people that we're friends with, work with, like Predatory Fins. I wanna get all their stuff in here. Now the floors, I asked you last video whether we should do the floors inside. These ones right here, these with baseboards like that, or keep it wood like this, which I got an answer. Y'all always come in clutch. Let me know in the comments. Don't worry, I read them all. We're gonna keep it like this and put a drain in the middle so that if any tanks were to leak or, God forbid, burst, we will have a drain in the middle of here. Now, I'm also thinking I could do one other thing. I saw a couple comments on it. By the way, thank you to everyone who commented your suggestions down below. That other tile probably wouldn't have been so smart because, yes, you're right, it's a fish room. If water gets on it, it'll just, you know, mess. You get my point. I'm thinking of something like along the lines of epoxy. That would be really cool. For instance, here's a couple pictures of what I'm thinking of. I think that would be something super cool to do in here. It gives it a little bit of a color other than just having wood. That is our next step, and not only that, we have to hang the lights up. As you know, these lights were hung straight across. We have to rehang them like this again, and then it'll light up from above. There's 6 of them, although only 2 are hanging right now plugged in. Another thing we need to do is put all these back on. For instance, see if I push this there, it'll look like that. Once it's flush, drilled in, good to go. These windows are super cool because they lock, and we just built a piece of plywood pretty much, painted the color of the wall, and stuck this out the hole. It's at 65 right now. I can tell you one thing, this feels so good, but it's not 65 degrees in here. It's for sure, I would say around 75, which is not too bad. It's kind of where we want to be, but I need something that's gonna legit kick it. So I believe we're gonna have to get a window unit here and maybe a window unit there and just have both window units going. I also need to get a dehumidifier, run that out the wall. So a couple more things I gotta do. I just kind of listed those off to you. After all that gets done, then we can officially start bringing fish tanks in here. I didn't even give you a look of the whole darn fish room painted yet. I mean, look at it, guys, there it is. It's amazing, it's literally so cool. It's kind of surreal that this was the way it was like 5-6 days ago. But yeah, it looks fantastic. I mean, there's about the best view I can get. It's very, very, very nice. And just picture those lights hung up on the top there. But I want to do something right there. So I'm gonna go get the stencils right now. Remember I bought those stencils? That's what I wanna do, right here. Remember I mentioned building a pond here. That's what we're gonna do right here. We're gonna build this super cool above ground pond, and above it, I wanna have we're gonna get so high being in here, dude.
Why aren't you guys wearing masks?
Oh, that's sick, dude. So we obviously need to touch up with the paint.
Yeah,
but hey, that's sick, dude. All right, so we ran out of the A and the R, so we couldn't exactly finish it, but that's what it's gonna look like above the pond. It'll say Paul Cuffaro brand. Chris is actually touching up with the paint right now, the spots that we did get a little bit of spray paint on, but yeah, it just looks so perfect right there. The next thing is for me and Chris to do today, we're taking all this stuff out, which is really just the tile right here, that's about it. And we got everything we need right here for flakes to go in the ground. Yesterday, I was just talking to you guys about the floors that I wanted to do, and we actually ended up picking this one right here. It matches that gray in the wall. It looks absolutely fantastic. And today, right to work we got, picked that up, and now we're doing it today. It's kind of crazy because I've documented literally every step of everything I've ever done. If I go back a year from now, I could see when I started the farm at the other house. Maybe that was a little longer than a year, but you get my point. Everything's on YouTube. For all you watching, everything go down along with me, living life with me. Thank you so much. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, smash that subscribe button down below. Next step is to broom everything. Yeah, we needed to backbone our broom because we literally taped that to this stick that we found. Paint stick. So we used a paint stick to backbone the broom. And as you can see, works like butter. Probably. Well, it broke like 2 seconds in, so. Oh, Cuffaro's. Shit. Oh, that was the gnarliest drop. This is the stuff, huh?
Flakes.
Look at it.
Yep. And then
That's the flakes.
Part A and part B, epoxy.
So sick, bro. I can't wait. This is gonna be so fun. It's like in a little art. I'm in art class again. As you can see, the colors just go absolutely perfect with the walls in here.
So you got the blue, you got the paint,
Yeah.
and then you got the epoxy. This looks blue, but it's actually gonna be gray because when you mix it with this, it
Lightens up. Oh my gosh, I wish I got that on video.
Damn.
That was unbelievably satisfying.
We do?
Yeah. Here we go, satisfying. Boom. And that's what's going on the ground. To start off, we brush the sides here, all around, and then we can roll right here. And after we roll, then I just get that stuff and I go, but this is gonna be much more efficient, much more affordable, and a lot better than doing like tile or something like that. I'm actually not even bothering to put a drain in the middle of this thing because it's gonna be all waterproof. I could just mop up whatever does spill or God forbid explodes. It just could get swept out the door. And we don't have to even get so perfect on the sides here because we're gonna do baseboards. My camera over there.
You're gonna have to get the box on your feet.
No, I don't think so.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, take this. Take this, Chris. Oh my god, that was legendary, dude. Thank God I saw that before it got too late. Woo! Alright. We got it. All right, it's time to do some flaking. This right here is exactly what goes in the bottom of the floor. You gotta throw it now. Here we go. Handful. Oh, sick!
Yeah.
Dude, that's what I'm talking about. Make it snow, baby. Make it snow.
Do the salt, salt.
Thank you very much. That looks insane. Well, it kind of looks weird on camera, I'll be honest. It doesn't look the same. But if you look real closely, that kind of shows you what it looks like. Like, it looks amazing. Now that you get the gist of what we're doing, we gotta finish the whole rest of this place as fast as we can before it dries. So you get the idea of what the floors are gonna look like. The baseboards will cover all that junk right there. But that's the floor. It looks absolutely amazing. Look at that. Wow. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. With my hands. Now we let it dry for how long? Like probably till tonight?
Yeah.
till around tonight, and we can do the clear coat over it, and that'll be like the finished epoxy. Thank you all so much for making it to the end of the video. This is by far my favorite project I've ever done on this YouTube channel, and that's a lot to say. I'm just excited for what's to come inside here. Even the art that we're gonna be doing on the outside of this wall. Every bit of this entire project is going to be absolutely amazing. Thank you, Chris, behind the camera, actually filming right now, for helping me out with the floors here. If you guys wanna check out his Instagram, it's in the link in the description, go thank him there. If you guys wanna subscribe to the channel, it's completely free. You can subscribe down below so you don't miss out on this project. Once we get all the fish tanks in here and all that stuff, it's going to be epic. Hit the like button, 20,000 likes on this maybe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.